So, welcome back, guys. Excellent work so far. You have finished the section on Python essentials, the most important and key concepts to do data science. Let's move on and learn Numpy for data analysis in Python. Numpy is actually a short of numerical Python, and this is one of the most powerful and fundamental package for numerical computing in Python. It is a linear algebra library which is powerful and incredibly fast, and also provides tool to integrate C, C++, and Fortran codes. It's important to note that almost all the libraries in PY data ecosystem depends upon NumPy as one of their most important and main building block. So, learning NumPy is very important if we want to do numerical computing in Python. It's very important to install NumPy now because we are going to work in NumPy. If you have Python installed using Anaconda distribution, go to the terminal and type conda install NumPy. If you don't have Anaconda distribution installed, you can use pip command and pip install NumPy. Throughout the course, we will be dealing with NumPy arrays. These are actually matrices and vectors. Just to recall, a matrix is simply a rectangular array of numbers, whereas a vector is a row or column of a matrix. So the matrix can still have only one row or one column. As discussed in the beginning of the course, you have a question. The good way is to check FAQ section. If you don't find answer to your question in FAQ section, go ahead and check question and answer forum using appropriate keywords. If you still don't find answer to your question, a good idea is to post new question with the context. We are always there to help you and will reply as soon as possible. Remember, posting questions in question and answer forum will also engage others and you will make great connections that could be helpful for everyone to grow as a data scientist. Once again, I want to thank you for enrolling in my course. See you in the next lecture. Good luck.